Welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In the previous tutorials, we looked at how to adjust volume of our audio clips, how to fix audio channels, and how to do a voiceover in Premiere. So in this tutorial, we look at how we can repair damaged audio clip by utilizing the effects that we have in Essential Sound panel. So I have these two audio clips on my timeline. Let's first listen to these and then we can go from there. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video, we will look at What's up guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, we will look at how we can create call out titles. Okay, so the first one has got some background noise and the second one has got some echo in it. So let's go into our Essential Sound panel and see how we can use the effects over there to fix this audio. So I'm gonna go in my Essential Sound, and now in here I will go in the edit and then repair section. And now under the repair section, you can see all these different effects. So let's look at the first one. The first slider is reduce noise, and this is basically used to reduce a constant background noise like wind or a sound of rain or any other constant background noise. Now we can adjust this by using the slider, and as soon as I tick this box, you can see that straight away this effect has been added in our effects control tab. So let's now listen to the audio clip once again and see if it sounds any better. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video we will look at, okay, so it definitely sounds much better and the background noise has definitely reduced as well. But guys, one thing to remember here is that the higher you go with the slider, the more impact it will have on your voice quality. So let me show you by going up to 10 and then we can listen to our clip once again. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video we will look at, okay, so now the background noise has significantly reduced, but I sound like a robot. So when using these effects, you just have to be careful and you have to find that right balance, because obviously you would want to improve the quality of your audio clips, but at the same time you just wouldn't want to sound like a robot like I did. So now the next effect we have here is rumble, and rumble is basically a kind of vibration that happens when you touch or hit your microphone. Now I don't have a lot of rumbling going on in this clip, but if you are faced with this issue, then you can definitely apply this effect. So we're now going to move to the next one, which is dehum, and this is used to remove any electrical hums from your audio. Now if you're in North America, then you should use 60 Hz, and for the rest of the world it's 50 Hz. I'm in the UK, so I'm going to use 50 Hz. And now guys, you should really use this effect if you think that there's a loud hum in your clip, because if there are no hums in your audio, then it can seriously destroy your vocal frequencies and distort your audio. So since I don't have any noticeable electrical hums in my clip, so I'm just going to remove this effect by unticking this box. Now another effect under the repair tab is DS, which is also called sibilance. Now it's basically that S sound that your mic can produce if you're too close to it in majority of cases. So let's apply this effect and listen to our audio clip and see if we observe any difference. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video we will look at, okay, so there's a very minor difference, but it's really so tiny that I'm going to remove this effect. But if you have that S sound in your clip, then you can definitely apply this effect. Now the last one we have under the repair tab is the reverb or echo, whatever you want to call. Now this basically reduces the reverb from your audio. Now I have the second clip on my timeline and it has got a lot of reverb in it, so I'm going to apply this effect on my clip, and now let's listen to it and see the difference. What's up guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video we will look at how we can create call out titles. Okay, so we've definitely reduced some echo from the clip, but there's still some there. Now guys, again, we just need to be very careful in kind of playing with these sliders when removing the echo from the sound. It can affect the quality of voice, like we saw in the reduced noise effect. So let me just go to 10, and now I'm going to play my clip again and you will see how I sound. What's up guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video we will look at how we can create call out titles. So guys, you could see that my voice went completely funny over there, and that was because we just went right up to the top in terms of removing the reverb from my clip. So Premiere, in the process of removing that echo from my clip, it just it just completely destroyed my audio quality. So guys, again, we just have to kind of find the right balance when using these sliders, because I mean, obviously you would want to kind of improve the quality of your audio clips, but at the same time, I mean, you just have to kind of make sure that you're not going, I mean, you're not just going too intense with all these effects. So now the next section we have in the Essential Sound tab is clarity. Now let's look at the first effect, which is the dynamic effect, and it basically tells you how much focus you want on the audio. So I'm going to apply this effect on this clip, and we'll use the slider while playing my audio clip so you can see the difference and the effect that it is making on the clip. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video, so you can see that when I was moving my slider up, it was making my audio a bit louder, which happens when you focus more on the dialogue. But at the same time, it made my voice a little less natural as well, which I don't really like. So I'm going to turn it off, but it's a really nice effect if you want to be, I mean, if you want to focus more on the voice, then you can definitely apply this effect. Now, the next one we have is the EQ effect, and this can be used in conjunction with the reduce noise effect that we looked at in the repair tab. Now, EQ lets you boost the level of different frequencies in your audio. Now, there are also some really cool presets that you can choose from. Now, if I choose the subtle boost from male and then play my audio clip, you guys could see that how it's going to affect my audio clip. So let me do that now. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now, in this video, we will look at okay, so the difference was very minor, but what it did was that it boosted the frequencies that are common in male voice. So if you're applying the noise reduction effect, then it's better to add a subtle EQ effect as well, just to enhance the frequencies you may have removed when you applied the noise reduction effect. And guys, if you go into your kind of effect controls tab, and then if you click on this edit button, you will be able to see all of the different presets over here as well. So if you want to give a boost to your bass in your clip, then you can use this preset. If you just want to give a normal high, a simple high, then you can also kind of use this one. And then there are other presets as well that you can choose. So it's a really cool effect, and it works really well if you kind of use it in conjunction with your noise reduction effect. So the next one is enhanced speech, and this one is pretty straightforward as it gives you an option to choose which tone you want to enhance. So let's just apply this effect and see how it's going to affect our clip. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video we will look at, so guys, you could see that how the enhanced speech was kind of basically enhancing the tones in your in your audio clip. So now the next section we have under the Essential Sound panel is creative, under which there's one effect called the reverb. Now don't get confused, because earlier we looked at the reverb effect in the repair tab, but that one we used to remove the echo from our audio clip. But this effect basically makes your audio sound like you are in a certain environment. Let me show you. So we have some presets over here, and if I select the clip and then apply this preset, now let's listen to our audio and see how it sounds. What's up guys, hope you're all well and safe. Welcome back to another very exciting Premiere Pro tutorial. Now in this video we will look at, so guys, you could see that our audio now sounds that we are in a specific environment, and there we got the slider again to adjust the effect level. And again, I mean, as always, the higher you go, the more intense the effect will be. Now the last section in the Essential Sound panel is the volume, and we have already discussed the different ways of adjusting and managing volume, so I'm not gonna go repeat myself all over again. If you haven't watched that tutorial, then I would highly recommend you to watch it, as it will give you a really good understanding about different ways of adjusting audio levels in your clips. So that's really it guys. We went through all of the effects that exist in the Essential Sound panel for dialogue, and hopefully now you have a much better understanding on how to use these effects to make your audio quality better. Now in the next tutorial we are going to look at the two other one, which is the SFX sound effects and the ambience tab, and we are going to go through all the effects that are within those sections. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, anything you would like to ask, any comments, as always, feel free to drop those in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm now going to see you in the next tutorial. So till then, you take care of yourself.